Figure it out. If you are on level 5 high frequency words, this book should be readable for you. When you are ready to practice on your own, turn the volume off. Up or down sounds. Early one day, Anna and Grace were in the park. Grace said, "Let's listen for a sound and guess if it is up or down." "I will go first," said Anna. She did listen to a sweet chirp. "Oh, that is a bird. That is an up sound." "My turn," said Grace. There was a growl. "Now that is a brown dog. That is a down sound." Then Anna listened to a sound by the ground. "Is that pounding sound a car?" she thought. Instead, it was a team playing. Grace said, "In that sport, the teams bounce a round thing. That is a down sound." Grace had a turn. There was a loud roar. "Wow, that is a plane. That is an up sound," she shouted. Now the color of the sky was dark. People left the park. Anna and Grace did listen to one more sound. It was the sound of nothing. Not up or down.